Hello, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious turkey neck light soup. I know it's been a while, but I'm back permanently. So let's get started. And so here I'll be using 5 red tomatoes, alright, as well as some onions and 5 hot peppers straight from my garden. And you will also need a blend of ginger, garlic, onion. I just blend it all up with a little bit of water. And to just make things simple. And also you need green seasoning. I will have a link below so you can see how to make it if you don't know. But now you will also need salt, as well as your Knorr cube. Well, this is Knorr that's already mashed up, but you can use Maggie as well. And I'll also be using 1 little can of tomato paste. I mean, if you want to use more, that's up to you, but this is my preference. And the main ingredient of all is our wonderful turkey necks that have been washed and cleaned in vinegar and lime. So now to start off, we're going to add our turkey necks to the pot. And yeah, I'm just taking my lovely time. Don't mind me, okay? And so now I'll be adding in the ginger, garlic, onion, as well as our green seasoning. And you can add more if you like. That is totally up to you. And I'll be going ahead to add the tomato paste. And I'm not going to be gentle because I do want the base to be thick. That's how I normally make my light soup. And I'll be adding in the water just to cover. And this is just to see how much water is going to be balanced out in the beginning. So after it's mixed, this is what it should look like. And now we will proceed to add in all of our vegetables, but I cut them up just so that it will reduce the time that they boil and cook before we add them to a blender. And so, yeah, I love peppers. You don't have to use a lot of peppers if you don't like. That's totally up to you. But me, I like my food spicy. So that's what I'm doing. And I do add more like around the end of the video. But next step, which is adding more water. Of course, because turkey necks do take a very, very long time to boil, as you can see. But yeah, we're just gonna place our lid on. We're gonna let this boil for about like 1 hour or so. Well, actually 30 minutes. But here I have my blender, and I'm just removing the peppers and the tomatoes and all that. And yeah, just take your time doing this. I meant to actually say that the meat takes a long time to boil, but you know what? Don't pay attention to me. Just take out all the vegetable and just try your best, because this is what is going to make the soup either thick or thin, and what we're going for is thin. So here I have them all in a blender, and I have added some of that soup broth right into it. And now I'm just blending it up all in my blender to make it smooth. You can add more water, but I'm trying to eyeball everything. And this is the result you should get after blending in all those ingredients that we have boiled. And so now with a strainer, we are just going to strain everything. And in this process, it may look like it's going to take a long time, but it's really not. All you have to do is just to continue to add water to it until you have the maximum amount of soup in the pot that you would like. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just stirring it. I'm sieving everything, and I'm being cautious because I do not want any of this ingredients that I blended to go into the soup. All right? I don't want it to go into the soup at all. And so at this point, we have enough water to boil the turkey necks for about on medium for about like an hour or another hour or so, and we're going to add some salt to it. And we will be also using that Knorr cube that I mentioned earlier in the videos. Well, in the video, this video. And I'll also add in my peppers. These are more peppers, by the way, but that, like I said again, that's a preference. But I am just going to put the lid on, and we will let this boil for another hour. Altogether, it's going to take 3 hours. But when I come back after an hour, I will show you the result so far. And this is what it should look like after 1 hour. You know, when you see the the oil rising like this, that means it's almost done. So you just have another hour to go. And after another hour, which is in total of 3 hours, this is the final result. This is what your light soup should look like. Remember now, turkey neck takes a long time. But this is my result, my final result. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And just remember, I'm posting on a regular. Bye-bye.